ukukhululeka kwamaswazi. It is to see quality and relevant education. It is to see free and compulsory education for all. It is to see scholarship for all and jobs for all. Comrades, the system lesipila pasayo, it is a crisis, Macabane. We are the only ones, comrades, who will help. You are the last hope of the nation, comrades. We as students are the pillar of the revolution. The nation needs us at the forefront of this revolution for us to wage a successful revolution. The president would like to make one plea to the students. We are an organization guided by principles. One of our principles is unity of purpose. Comrades, we know what have transpired and the events that have unfolded during the time of the former leadership. We know the reasons, but comrades, we are here unified by a purpose. The theme of this Congress was positioning the student union, our union, in the mass democratic movement for free, quality, and compulsory education. We are looking forward to end gender-based violence and the respect of human rights. Comrades, there is no way we can be a union without being united. Comrades, it's at the position of mass democratic movement. In mass democratic movement is the mass democratic movement needs us as a union. Comrades, at times we should agree to disagree. Yes. Comrades, at times we should reach a common ground. To you, newly elected leadership, these are students, comrades. There is no Putemo here, there is no CPS here, there is no Swalimo here, there is no NNLC here. We are students, unified for one purpose, comrades, for academic freedom. To see freedom in our lifetime, to see education without a price tag, to see education for all, to see the youth of Swaziland being employed. My Kabane, the time is now. Comrades, the task is here. Sisota, comrades, we can never do it. Comrades, it's in a task, like urgent task. The issue of scholarship for all, the issue of jobs for all. First years without scholarships. Comrades, it is us from here to go back to our campuses, to shut down all those campuses until every student is awarded scholarship. Comrades, from here, it was our task. We recently lost one asset to the Swaziland revolution and to us as a union. A human rights defender, Comrade Tulani Mase. Comrade Tulani was an asset to the student union. We all know what we have been through when it comes to legal assistance. How much the comrade was always there to pledge his support. Comrade, it is the duty of us as the students, as the pillar of the revolution of the people of Swaziland, to go from here and demand justice for human rights lawyer, Comrade Tulan Marcel. Comrades, we've lost comrades like Comrade Tabani Ngomoni. We've lost a lot of Emaswat under the regime. Comrades, we should end the autocracy now. Comrades, the time is now. The demand for democracy, the call for democracy is an urgent call, comrades. There is no any this year, comrades. Democracy we want in our own approaching April 12th. The thing called the system of governance, we know very well we are in the system and in this crisis, as the youth of Swaziland, as the students of Swaziland, as women of Swaziland, as marginalized groups of Swaziland, it is because of the system. Everyone is in crisis. The working class, comrades, we should never divorce our struggle as a mass students with those of the workers, because we ourselves are workers in transition. Comrades, let us go back and revive our relationships with trade unions, because they shall help us. We are together looking forward to champion and to end the disrespect of human rights. Comrades, the Tinkhundla system of governance has no respect of human rights. The theme of this 14th National General Congress have articulated it very well. It has said, this Congress have said it clearly that we need to position ourselves in the MDM. One of those reasons is to end gender-based violence and the respect for human rights. It is upon us, comrades, to go back now and advocate for the end of gender-based violence and the respect of human rights. But we need to clearly position ourselves in the mass democratic movement to wage this revolution. Comrades, the time is now. It is upon this Congress, it is upon you, youth of Swaziland, the students of Swaziland, to go back to say the time is now, the Tinkhundla system is up. We can never allow Mswati and Tinkhundla system to enjoy another year. Relaxing. We can never, comrades, allow them to 10, 50 years of exploitation, exploiting the nation of Emaswati. We are here as a result of the Tinkhundla system. Comrades, we should never ever make the mistake here where we are students. We are only focused in student politics. There is nothing like that, comrades. We are members of the community before we are students. We are here, we are Sibuya Emakaya, comrades, we are citizens. We are in the crisis Lesigio facing a dropping number of suicidal cases. It is because the Makayales Pumagigo, they cannot afford to pay our tertiary fees. That is why one way or the other, education, it is because of the system. So we can never divorce ourselves from the struggling of the struggles of the working class. We are looking up to you. Comrades, not easy. The weight on our shoulders. We may celebrate today, we may sing tomorrow, but reality still stands. The regime is out there looking for anyone who will say he's a protector of human rights. He's a liberation fighter. The regime, we are ready, comrades. That is why we are seeing us here. Comrade Nelson Mandela once said there are 3 places of a revolutionary: prison, the grave, and exile. We are here, comrades, ready for anything. But there is one thing that shall give us peace: to see the people of Swaziland finally free. Comrades, would like to thank you, every branch, every delegate, every observer, the IEC, Siyabonga, comrades, for the work you've done in this 14th National General Congress, the marshals, the kitchen staff. We thank you, comrades. You shall be rewarded when we get to Freedom Day. Yeah. Comrades, as poor, the struggle for democracy now must win. Our country must survive. We no longer can live in the crisis Lesigio as a country. We no longer can take this anymore. Comrades, you are the hope of the nation. You are the backbone of the Swazi struggle. The nation is looking up to you. Comrades, be united. One of our principles. Unity of purpose. No masingete sabona ngasolinye, comrades. It is liqiniso lesingeke sathena a blind eye on it. We've got our differences. From this very same Congress, sesike sakhombana, comrades. Sesike saphinzilitana, comrades. Even coming here, comrades, bekune maslates, comrades. That is the reality. But in Yalo, the outcome it's sekwende kanje, comrades. Kuna lawyer from that slate, kuna lawyer. But comrades, let us be united. Let us be principled. Let us remember the word union. It means united. Without unity, there is nothing like SNUS, the Union of Swaziland. Mandla! Forward to free, quality and relevant education. Forward! Forward to socialism. Forward! Forward to democracy now. Forward!